Today I'm going to show you how to set up this smart plug from Centurion's Powerline range. These smart plugs are designed to wirelessly turn on and off anything with the standard plug ends. They also integrate with Amazon and Google for speech command control. Inside the packaging you'll find a QR code. You need to scan that QR code, which will take you to a website, and will download the app on either your Android or your Apple device. You need to select the country, download the app. The next step is to accept the agreement, and then you need to sign up for an account. You can use your email address to sign up for the account. Okay, so once you've entered your email address and set up your account, you'll get a verification code. This will come to your email address. You simply enter the verification code, set up, create an account and choose a password. So once you launch the app for the first time, it'll ask you to connect to the network, which you'll allow, and then you'll allow app to connect to Bluetooth, and finally allow app access to home data. Okay, so once you download the app, simply plug in your smart plug and then simply plug in your device. We're using this light here as an example, but you could use anything from a TV to a kettle to a toaster, anything with a standard plug end. So you plug this in here. So you can see before we set up the device that the plug's working properly because the blue light here is blinking. If it's not blinking, make sure that you've got the power turned on at the wall and the socket is properly pressed down. And now you need to add that device on the app. So we'll jump back in the app and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, we'll go ahead and open up the Smart Life app. So as we started it for the first time, it's prompted us here to add smart socket. So it says device to be added one smart socket. So we know that it's picked up that there. So we'll click add and then we'll just put in the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so that's worked. We've entered the password for the Wi-Fi and we can see on the right hand side it's just syncing up the smart socket to the device. Right now we can see that the socket has been added successfully, so we'll click done. Here we've got three options on the bottom. We've got power, timer and settings. Simply with the power button here, you can switch it on and the light works. So here we can add a timer, so add schedule, so we can set a time and a day for the light to come on, which is a great way of saving energy. And then finally in settings we've got a switch log, so we can see how often the light was switched on and off, and we've got a child lock in there as well. So now the plug is working on the app. I'll show you how to set it up on another smart device. The example we've got today is a Amazon Alexa, but it'd work on something like a Google Home or something similar like that. On the app I'll go over to Me, and then I'll click on where it says third-party services. I'll click Alexa because that's the one we're using. Then jump over to the Alexa app, which is already on your phone. If you now click link, and that's all connected now. Okay, so as default the plug is named Smart Socket, but you can rename that in the Alexa app. But I'll just demonstrate it working. Alexa, Smart Socket on.
Okay.
Alexa, Smart Socket off.
Okay.
And that's how you set up your smart plug from Powerlines.